Hello everyone, my name is Sundar Kotishwaran and this is my video CV. So let me give a brief introduction about myself. I am an IIT alumnus with post-graduation in digital innovation from UMass Amherst, USA. And to start with, it's a very big lengthy career from starting from 1999 until 2003. So if I run through for each and every organization, it will take more time. So I'll tell you my some bullet points whatever happened during this journey. So myself, I started my project in chem informatics related to pharma and nanotechnology, and started my career in that phase with respect to software programming in Fortran. And then after that I got into a startup environment where I was doing pre-sales with the technological product. I was involved in customer support and software development, design, architecture. As in a startup, you need to get into different hats. Then I shifted my gear in, with an extraordinary commitment for the organization called CGI, and then to GCA, sorry, where I was involved in uh, creating my own known business problem related to interoperability of data from Microsoft to SAP environment, and it was involving SAP NetWeaver Corporation environment architecture. So I designed the architecture and then modeled it in such a way that we can interoperate the data from Microsoft environment to SAP, like taking data in form of data cubes and then bringing in from Microsoft to SAP, and from you can take data from SAP and put it inside Microsoft. That was one of my biggest business problem, because that had a huge impact of around 60 to 65% of sales happening for SAP in terms of the usage, in terms of customer experiences. Then I shifted my gear to Copenhagen, and I was working for Danish Oil and Natural Gas, and as a special software engineering consultant. And I was involved in a lot of modelings, and I was involved in various systems, software systems in different programming languages, and I was involved in the software engineering architecture, modeling it and then writing code. And one important programming language which was very fluent at the time was HTML-B. That is something which is different with respect to the ASAP property system. So getting to those kind of GML programming, and then working on different kinds of programming languages. Today I have an AI app where I develop my own. I can take code from 25 programming languages and then create, like if you say, if I want to write code in Python, I can change it to Java. If I write in Java, I bring it to Go. So yeah, I bring in the programming neutrality with today's requirement in terms of architecture modeling and business requirements for solution architecture. And then I've shifted my gear. I was not having a management degree, so I went with one of my senior faculty who was in IIT Mumbai, and he trained me. He asked me to create a framework for innovation proposals creations using software models and mathematical modeling. So that I have a framework named as Operanda Framework 3.0 in my own version. So it has a lot of modules inside it which will guide you through software modeling. Like I finally start from scratch. So scratch in the sense I see a business problem in front of me. I design taking the content from there, and then slowly radiate it to the requirement that is involved in the proposal creation for the innovation, then to software product management, and take into architecture development using agile, and finally into pre-sales environment where I sell it using ad technology. So this is how my experience is all about, and you can read my blogs which I put in my CV. And so today, if you stand tall, for the last 10 years, I've been working on different domains like into educational, retail, fintech, regulatory technology. And then independently, I create all these innovative technological products, the emerging technologies today. If you ask me, I have the architecture for metaverse. How we can bring in a metaverse kind of a technology for mental health, for example. So I have all these models, all this product development, innovation features, which a small design feature will create a big impact. Like I told you, a small impact in the interoperability from SAP to non-SAP created 65% of market share. So I can create a small design feature which will impact globally in terms of your product, which is existing or non-existing. So as a whole, I do mathematical modeling. So I'm, as I told you, as a math-inspired technocrat with software architecture modeling. and also a problem-oriented proposal creator with impactful solution designing in software engineering. So if you're interested in seeing my profile, my details, you can connect with me, and we can share. I'll share you my presentation for the demonstration. Thank you very much and have a great day. Thank you.